In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import JSON files into make.com. A blueprint in make.com is essentially a snapshot of a scenario. It captures your modules, routes, filters, and field mappings, all packaged in a single JSON file. Importing that file lets you recreate an entire automation instantly, which is ideal when you're moving workflows across workspaces, sharing with a teammate, or restoring a previous setup. To begin, open make.com and create a fresh workspace for the import by selecting Create Scenario. This gives you a clean canvas. You don't need to drag in any modules yet. The blueprint will do that for you. Once you're in the scenario editor, locate the three-dot menu, sometimes called the Overflow menu. You'll find it on the editor toolbar. Click it to reveal additional actions that aren't on the main toolbar. Choose Import Blueprint. This tells Make that you're bringing in a complete scenario from a file, rather than assembling it module by module. Your system's file picker will appear. Browse to the JSON blueprint file you want to import. It should have a JSON extension. If you received it via email or a shared drive, make sure you've downloaded the final version and that it hasn't been compressed or modified in a way that would change the file type. It's a good idea to use descriptive file names so you can distinguish between versions. Select the file and click Open to start the import. Make.com will parse the JSON, and after a brief moment, you'll see the modules and routes appear on the canvas exactly as they were when the blueprint was exported. This includes the order of modules and the branching structure. Now, review what's on the canvas. Confirm that all expected modules are present, the connections between them look right, and any filters or routers are where you expect. Pay attention to warning or error icons. They can indicate missing settings or deprecated fields from older exports. If something doesn't look right, check the original blueprint notes or the source scenario for reference. In many cases, app connections won't transfer with a blueprint, especially if they were created under a different account or workspace. If a module prompts you to choose a connection, open that module and select the correct app account from the dropdown, or authenticate a new one tied to your workspace. Work through each module that needs a connection until all warnings are resolved. When everything checks out, click Save. Giving the scenario a clear name and adding a brief description will make future maintenance easier. That's it. The JSON blueprint has been successfully imported into make.com. Thanks for watching.